Welcome back, everyone. How about some more fast Amtrak trains on the Empire Corridor? Here we have Amtrak 233, led by Amtrak 95, a GEP 42 DC, with a nice K5LA horn. Check it out. Railfanning in this section of the corridor, you definitely have to be on your A game, or else the train's gonna pass you by before you even know it. Here's a couple of photos of the train. Lead unit Amtrak 95 along with Amtrak 701 in the rear. A GEP 32 ACDM. That's gonna do it for this episode. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.